lot of push-ups. Normal push-ups. And triceps. Clapping. And turning. What about something a little bit more difficult? One-arm push-ups. Whoop, and to the side. And up. Wait a minute. I wonder if I can jump and clap behind my back. And whoop. I love it. And now the best for last. One arm and one leg.